Today I'll be making pimples or acne face cream, and this cream is actually a cold process, okay? But I need to dissolve this salicylic acid. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're just seeing my face, this is HBM, all right? So you're welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video. Yes, I'm actually in my factory. Like, I've been making products back to back that I don't even have time to make videos for my channel these days. But I'm actually making a product, and I just want to show you guys the process. Okay, it's the process, all right? I'm not dropping this recipe, but yeah, at the end of the day I might just change my mind and drop the recipe, because I actually created a recipe and I want to bring that recipe to life. So this is my life, okay? So yeah, I've been working. You guys will be wondering, how am I looking like a matron, like a midwife today? Yes, I will actually make this product, okay? Then when I make this product, let's see the outcome. Like, let us see the outcome of the recipe I'm about to create. So I'm gonna be showing you guys products that we just formulated today, like the lotion you're seeing here. This is actually light pink. The camera is not doing justice to this lotion. So this is actually 15 kg of our flawless body milk. You guys should please patronize us. We are having our sales in the next 6 days. Sales is starting, so you can just try out this lotion. It's so good for your skin. Even your children above 3 years can use this, okay? This is going to glow your skin and even out your natural skin tone. And in here we have our vitamin B serum. This is actually our serum. So this is our vitamin B serum. It also contains vitamin C, but we just decided to name our own vitamin B serum. All right, so this is our serum. So right here we have like 5 kg of our serums, okay? So we are preparing for the sales, seriously. So I'm about to actually bring a formula to life now, and I will be filming the process, and probably if I change my mind at the end of the formulation, I'll drop the recipe here when I'm editing. So just watch out. Today I'll be making pimples or acne face cream, and this cream is actually a cold process, okay? But I need to dissolve this salicylic acid. I need to actually dissolve this, all right? And right in here I have propane gel with my salicylic acid, but I need to dissolve this very well. So I'm actually dissolving my salicylic acid, all right, because this will actually help to exfoliate the skin, and also it helps in fighting acne. So I need to dissolve this properly. So I'm adding in all my extracts. So I'm adding in extracts that will help fight acne. And now I'm adding in my water, the distilled water, into another beaker, and I have to set aside the other beaker that contains this melted or dissolved salicylic acid. And also here I had to pour the dissolved salicylic acid with the extract into my water, all right? So I had to give it a very good stir. And here comes the almighty binder, emulsifier, that we will be using to bind all this extract, water, humectant together. And this is called Aristoflex AVC. It is a particular kind of emulsifier that you can actually use in emulsifying your cream, your facial cream. This emulsifier is very good for making a cold process cream. It just bind up whatever liquid content you have, and you have this creamy, this emulsifying creamy texture. Right here I'm adding my Aristoflex gradually. You stir then you just blend this so that it will incorporate very well. Okay, I had to pour in the remaining Aristoflex, then I had to stir properly. So next I had to use my stick blender to stick blend this, and you can see the color is looking so creamy and so beautiful. Right here I'm adding in my preservative into my facial cream, and I had to take the pH of this because believe me, your pH is very important when making a facial product, when making your skincare products. And I had to arrive on the pH of 4, and we're packaging my cream like I will be the one to use this cream. Remember, this cream is specifically for an acne skin, like acne prone skin. If you're battling pimples, acne, whitehead, you know, all kind of skin blemishes, eczema, any kind of skin impediment, this cream is wow, like super good for you because it contains a whole lot of anti-inflammatory, antibacterial property. We use calendula, we use aloe vera, we use salicylic acid, so it contains a whole lot of ingredients that will help to tackle any kind of skin impediment. So we'll be showing you how this cream will slide and glide so easily onto my skin, and it's absorbed into the skin very quick. Like, it does not dry out the skin because it contains D-panthenol, which is also a natural source of vitamin B. Thank you very much, and do not forget that our online skincare class is ongoing. So if you want to enroll, just send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up there on the screen. And we also sell raw materials, we sell our customized skincare products. Please patronize us. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.